Hey guys, what do we think of this lip? David's not into it. It is Saturday and we're getting ready to go out to lunch. Cal is still sleeping, so we'll wait a few more minutes. Hopefully he gets up soon so we can leave.
You didn't like set a time of when he went to sleep. You just said he's still sleeping. It could be like 10 minutes or an hour. Like no.
He's okay. So he's been sleeping for like an hour.
Be a storyteller.
Oh, okay. This is the lip color. I actually think it's really cool.
Tell people that you have good lips though before they see that color.
What do you mean?
Because they're gonna look at your lips and be like, oh, she just has shitty lips.
No, they know what my lips look like. So this is L'Oreal Infallible. This is the same as the kind I was wearing the other day, but this color is called Angora. So it's like a mauve. Why are you laughing at me? It's like a mauve.
Oh, there's two wasps.
Color. It is very like,
Gross.
No, it's not subtle. I'll say that. It's not subtle. Like he says I look like I'm dead, but I'm feeling very Wednesday Addams actually with this outfit. I'll show you guys my full outfit. What else? Our friends just left. I should have grabbed the camera earlier, but honestly, we looked like homeless. So we had friends over last night and they spent the night. Oh, I'm sorry. David didn't look homeless. They spent the night and they have a 2-year-old.
You didn't look homeless?
Huh?
You didn't look homeless.
I did.
You were in lingerie.
Stop. They have a 2-year-old son, so it's really fun. We usually do we'll usually get together and spend the night at one of each other's houses, so that way the kids can go to bed and we can stay up and play games and stuff. So it was really fun, and they just left like an hour ago, so I think we're gonna go meet up with them again and have lunch. What?
We're not swingers.
Oh my gosh, I know.
Because I said lingerie and you said they just
I have to edit all of this out now.
Oh, you can edit it.
Oh my gosh. We're done here. Alright, so here's my total outfit. I'm wearing this like little mock, I think that's called a mock turtleneck when it's like short like that. And it's a dress. It's from Forever 21. I actually really love this dress. I got it when I was pregnant, and it's just like an easy, cute black dress. And then it's still, even though it's October, guys, it's still like 80 degrees here, so that's crazy. I have this leopard cardigan tied around my waist, and then I'm wearing these Nikes, so it's kind of like a casual vibe. And then I like side braid my hair, and then my normal wrist over here, and then over here I'm playing around with some of these like fun rings. I got them at Target. They all came together in like a little kit. Not a kit, but like a set of a bunch of rings. So I'm playing around with some of them, and then this little Kate Spade bow. So that is the look for today. Is that what you're wearing, Cal? Oh, it is an outfit. Oh, look at, you're all dressed. Wow, Daddy did a good job.
You dog! Oh, just kidding. Yeah, dog!
Just let your kid run around it. Big whiskies. I know, it's so windy. This is great. He's enclosed. He can run around. We can enjoy ourselves. Oh my gosh, I think I hit a wall.
That.
What? So we just finished.
That.
Yes.
That was fun.
This Big Brother reference, if you didn't know.
No one knows that.
No, people know that.
No one knows.
I think we're gonna go to a children's birthday party now. So we just finished lunch, even though it's like almost 4 o'clock. I think we're gonna go to my friend. She's my friend too. My friend's sister. One of her kids is having a birthday party, so we figured we'd kind of crash the party. I thought it'd be fun for Cal to hang out with a bunch of them, and then we can keep hanging out. And yeah, I think that's what we're gonna go do.
Haley, see if you can get him to do his dance.
Woo! twirling.
Oh,
Hey.
He's so dizzy.
He's wasted.
Watch the fireplace.
Oh my goodness.
Thank God you're there.
That's what everyone always says about me.
That's 45 feet.
Do it again.
Baby country.
He's getting so dizzy. Can you do your dance?
Do your dance, do your dance,
Actually,
do
yeah,
your dance.
Some of those burnt hot dogs.
Woo! Do your dance. Do your
You
dance.
your daddy's son. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat.
Do you know that the street actually got washed away? All right, we're here. Oh my god. There's a good angle. Oh, I look thin. Stay on the road, please.
Sam.
I am on the road. That's so ridiculous. We're heading to... This is a terrible angle. Get this off of me. Like, I couldn't look at each
What
other.
angle do you want? Do you want to come
From above. We're heading to the farm, the farm party. Is it farm themed? This is a bad angle. Even I look bad. Even I? How rude! Oh my gosh! Get out of here with
I look bad at this.
your pinky up. Oh! Morning.
Morning. Oh, I guess grab some greeting card.
Is that their house?
Yeah.
That's the cutest house I've ever seen in my life. You guys, check out this little house. It's purple.
Who are all these other?
That is so funny. That dog. I know. How do I get over the river? Yeah. Yeah. I look like I'm... Honey.
No, I'm gonna help you.
1, 2, 3. Go together.
Stop.
You. Come on, guys. Don't do that. Did you catch something? Yeah. Oh my God, Daisy. That dog. They're gonna have to take her home in the car?
Yeah, I'm not interested.
Ew.
She always does that.
Do you want a fruit snack? Okay, could this weather be any more perfect?